Today is Russian for Foreigners. I'm Violetta with my Russian friend. I'm counting some monies, but I think he was cheating with me. He didn't give me correct. Okay, I will count after. So today's so important and interesting lesson about numbers, because it's really important after alphabet, because we need to count money, we need to count how much we have, how much we want to have. So it's sometimes so exciting, sometimes so sad, but we'll see how we are counting in Russian. We are starting with 1. In Russian it's один. Один карандаш, pencil. Один колпачок. This is a cap, колпачок. So один цветок, one flower. So 1, it's good if you say one and only. So one person in your heart, or one most important word in your head. So 1, it's so serious and so important number. Next one, 2, два. 2 can be 2 person in a couple. 2 человека, 2 person, 2 человека. 2 babies in a family. 2 ребенка, 2 ребенка, 2 babies. Can be 3 babies also, and 4 also, it depends on the family. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5 fingers in your hand you have. So 5 пальцев, пальцев. 5. Next one, 6, 6, 6. Another, 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9. Okay, let's move on. 10, 20, 30. It's good to know, because I think this more exciting to count it. 10, 10, 10. 20, 20. Listen, 20, смотрите, you can see, смотрите, 10, 20, 30, 30. Why 20? 20 means 10, 10. So, old Russian traditional language. So, 3, 20, 3, 20, 4. So a bit different as in any language we have. So 4, 40. 40. Another one 50. 5. 10. 5. It means 5. 5. 10. 10. 5. 10. 50. 6. Next one. 6. Again, 10. 6. 10. 10. So 6. 6. 10. 5. 5. 10. You see? But 30, 20 and 10 can be different, but the side also 10 means 10. 3 децать, 2 децать. Do you understand? Next one. 7. 7. 10. 7. 10. 7. 10. 8. 10. So 8. 10. 8. 10. 8. 10. You see? 90. 90. And another one, we will count hundreds. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, etc. So 100, 100, 100, 100, 200, 200, 200, 200, 300, 300, 300. So 300. So 300. Do you understand? Easy. 4, 400. Again. 400. So, and after that 5. 500. Again. 5. 100. 6. 600. 600. Also 600. 700. Again 700. 700. 700. Again 800. Also easy. 800. 800. 800. 800. 100. 900. Also the same. 9. It's not so difficult Russian, so you can speak it. 900. 900. Also 900. 900. The same. And 1000. 1000. 1000. 1000. 1000. 1000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Окей, 11. how after 10 you can put 10 plus 1, so 10, next one 11, 12, 20, 12, 13, 14, 15, so 20 can be after 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and after that 20. So since 10 up to 20, it's so easy to count because it's the same. So you have to memorize it since first, like since 1 up to 10. And after that 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. And this one. So also what I can say, first, первый, not one, first. You have also two different words, right? So you can say first, первый, second, второй, third, третий, fourth, четвертый, etc. the same. But first, second, third. This is important. So I think everything, like if you need some details, everything I send it to you. If you need this information or another one, or you have some question, subscribe my channel and send me information close to my video. So let's see you next time.